Kid you not, just drove up here to the property over my lunch hour, and I've done alright this time of day. Anyways, I know more and get my decoys set up, get set up in my blind, and I thought I heard a gobble in the distance already, so I grabbed my mouth call and the slate and made one call. Didn't hear anything for a little bit, gave a couple minutes, did one more hit with my Bully's slate call, and I got a response, and boy, he was here within a few seconds. And probably should have gave him a little bit more time, but I didn't know if I had the camera on him. Hopefully I got the kill shot. But decent tom, probably 8 or 9 inch beard, I would guess. 2-year-old bird. Yeah, I'm stoked. Nice looking fan on him. Beautiful bird. Thank you, Lord. I cannot believe how fast this just came together. It's April 23rd, early season. This is my 3rd time out. Just went for a midday hunt and came together. Out at the right time, at the right spot, I guess. Yeah. I am tickled. 20 gauge. Probably should have let them come in a little bit more, but I was ready to get my dirt nap. Nice looking bird. See, still in my work clothes. Be back to the office in no time.